Hello and welcome back to Are you ready to unlock your imagination and create something truly magical? Today, we dive into our secret garden of crafts to reveal our top 5 most enchanting and creative projects ever. These aren't just any crafts. They're gateways to incredible stories and amazing adventures. So, grab your glue, find your glitter, and let's get started on this journey to unleash your inner artist. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the Starlight Story Jar. Have you ever wished you could capture a little bit of nighttime magic? Well, now you can. We're going to transform a simple, everyday jar into a glowing vessel for all your favorite tailies. I'll show you the secret to adding mesmerizing, glowing elements and whimsical decorations that will make your jar sparkle. It's the perfect companion for winding down with a cozy story before bed and is sure to inspire the sweetest of dreams. It's simple, beautiful, and full of wonder. Flying into our number 4 spot are the DIY mythical creature puppets. Get ready to bring legends to life. You, LLB, amazed at how easy it is to create your own fantastical beasts using materials you probably already have at home. Imagine crafting a shimmering dragon with fiery breath or a gentle unicorn with a sparkling horn. The only limit is your imagination. Once you've assembled your cast of characters, it's time to put on the most epic puppet show the world has ever seen. Get ready for applause. At number 3, we're shrinking down to enter the enchanted forest diorama. Let's build a miniature world bursting with wonder. I'll guide you step by step as we create tiny, detailed trees, craft sparkling rivers that seem to flow, and design hidden pathways for fairies and gnomes. This isn't just a craft, it's a living playset. Once it's complete, your diorama becomes the perfect, magical setting for all your toys to have incredible adventures. It's a tiny world that holds huge possibilities for imaginative play. Beep, boop, boop. Our number 2 craft is powering up. Meet the upcycled robot, friends. Before you toss out those old boxers, bottles, and cans, let's give them a futuristic new life. We're going to transform recyclable materials into the quirkiest, coolest robot companions you've ever seen. You can customize your robot with buttons for eyes, wires for hair, and anything else that sparks your high-tech vision. These unique, eco-friendly creations are ready for intergalactic missions or just to be a friendly face on your shelf. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 most magical craft is the Dreamweaver wall hanging. This is more than just a decoration. It's a beautiful, personalized dream catcher that encourages positive thoughts and happy dreams. I'll teach you how to weave colorful yarn, string on beautiful beads, and even incorporate special treasures you've collected, like shells or feathers. This craft is not only visually stunning hanging in your room, but it's also a wonderful and constant reminder of your own incredible creative spirit. And there you have it, our top 5 secret garden crafts. But remember, the most important part of crafting isn't just the final product. It's the joy you find in the process of creating. Do you ever be afraid to add your own special twist or a completely new idea to any of these projects? Your imagination is what makes them truly unique. We would absolutely love to see what you make, so please share your amazing creations with us using the hashtag #SmartyPlayhouseCrafts. We can't wait to be inspired by you. Thanks for joining us today. And if you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative adventures. Happy crafting!